Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I've just looked at the numbers and we've just reached 17,000 subscribers, and that is amazing, and I really would like to thank all of you subscribers that joined and watched my videos. And also we've had over 3.5 million views, which is absolutely incredible for a little channel just like mine, of myself in my garden just doing the odd job in gardening. So I've got some interesting news, as I'm going to keep update with the channel, and I'm just going to rename the channel. Still the same channel, we're still doing videos of growing plants and flowers at the allotment, jobs in the garden, as well as the shopping visits, which will be really good, and that is really good. So it used to be gardening for beginners, and now we're taking a bit more professional, a bit more personal, and now we're going for gardening with Ray. So let me know in the comments, how long have you been watching my channel, and how long, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, and we get notifications for some more videos. So enjoying this lovely weather today. We're in scorching hot weather, too hot for the allotment and the polytunnel. We've just had the summer solstice day, so the sun is the hottest as it is at the moment. So it's going to enjoy this weather, sit in the garden and enjoy this Father's Day. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.